Yes, sir.
रेडी हो टेस्ट
Yes,
के लिए?
sir.
यस कुंदन, राशि, जावेद,
Yes, sir.
रेडी हो? राशि, टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो। देखिए मैं यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन लिखूंगा, आपने उसके आंसर को चैट में मेंशन कर देना है, सॉल्व करते जाना और चैट में आंसर लिखते जाना। इज इट क्लियर? सॉल्व एंड देन
Yes,
राइट द
sir.
आंसर इन चैट बॉक्स। Find x. This is x, this is 100, this is 60. Find x.
Sir, please mark the triangle.
First question, find x.
Sir, can you please mark ABC? Sir, that ABC.
Sir, we have to give directly answer the value of x.
आपको सिर्फ आंसर को उसपे चैट बॉक्स में मेंशन करना है, नोटबुक पे सॉल्व करना है नहीं करना वो आपकी मर्जी, आप डायरेक्ट उसको कैलकुलेट करके भी आंसर लिख सकते हो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. This angle given is 100 degree and this is 60 degree. Find the value of x. And the second question is, if two complementary angles are in ratio 11:4. Here this is ratio 11:4. Then angles are, टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स है, उनका रेशियो दे रखा है, आपको वो एंगल फाइंड करने हैं। अभी तक सिर्फ अर्नव का आंसर आया है, अर्नव एंड सुमित। हरियम, second question is, if two complementary angles are in the ratio 11:4 then angles are. तो फर्स्ट के लिए टाइम अप, आंसर इज 40 डिग्री।
ओ मेरा ठीक किया।
अंकुश, राशि, सुमित, अर्नव, अनंत, आप सभी का ठीक है 40 डिग्री।
नहीं है मेरा नाम, मैंने सबसे पहले लिख दिया था 40 डिग्री।
डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन था। This is actually the angle, the sum of these two angles will be 100. So 60 plus 40 that is 100. 15 to 20 सेकंड में क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा। The next question is, if two complementary angles are in the ratio 11:4 then the angles are. Yes, this is Dikshita. Yes, Dikshita. Your first angle is right and the second is wrong. Your first angle is right and the second is wrong. Check your mistake. यस, सबसे फास्ट दिया दीक्षिता ने। दिस इज यस। Shravan wrong. Yes, Khushi, why are you late? Okay. Yes, try the second question. If two complementary angles are in the ratio 11:4, yes, Sumit, you are right. 11:4, then angles are. So only two candidates, Dikshita and the second Sumit. Answer is 66 and 24. First of all, complementary angles. Yes, Kundan. कुंदन, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स कौन से होते हैं बेटा? यस राशि, यू आर राइट। कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स कौन से होते हैं कुंदन? So complementary angles whose sum is 90 degree. Now these angles are in ratio 11:4. So एक एंगल हो गया 11x and the second angle is 4x. So the sum of these two angles is 15x. But this should be 90 because the complementary angles are those angles whose sum is 90 degree. So x is 50 and 90 divided by 15. So this is 6. So the x is 6. This will mean this is 66 and 4 into 6 is 24. So these two are the angles.
और नीचे पत्थर भी बहुत है, पत्थर भी बहुत है।
Find x. First angle is x plus 3 degree and second is x plus 20 degree. Third is x plus 7.
मम्मी उसके बाद में
First
पानी
is
को
x
मारोगे
plus
ना?
3, second is x plus 20, third is x plus 7. Find the value of x. Hurry up. दीक्षिता, राशि, सुमित, स्क्रीन में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है बेटा? बोर्ड इज विजिबल?
Yes, sir. Board is visible.
बोर्ड विजिबल है बेटा? यस अर्नव, युगांश, बोर्ड विजिबल है?
Ankush.
Sir, your voice is coming very low. And board is also not visible.
This loose.
Now sound is audible.
Yes, sir.
And board. Third question is ABC is a straight
Sir,
line.
x is equals to 50.
बेटा आंसर बोलना नहीं है, सिर्फ चैट में मेंशन करो. You have to find the value of x. Only mention the answer. Rashi, this is wrong. Yes, Sumit, you are right. Yes, अभिनव का भी ठीक है. अंकुश, काफी बच्चों ने ये सही लिया है. So this is x is 50 degree. First of all, add x plus 3 and x plus 20 and x plus 7. These are forming linear pair. So the sum of these three angle will be 180 degree. The sum of these three angle is 180 degree. So x plus 3 plus x plus 20 plus x plus 7. This is equal to 180 degree. Now x plus x. This will become 3x and 3 plus 20, that is 23 plus 7, 30. This will become 180 minus 30. So 3x equals 150 and x is 50 degree. Any doubt in the third question? Raise your hand.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. Now the fourth question
No,
is,
sir.
फटाफट क्या करो बेटा, स्पीड बढ़ानी है हमें. If angle 1 is equal to angle 2, then find angle 3 and angle 4. This angle is 58 degree and this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. You have to find this angle 3 and this angle 4. This angle is 58 degree, 58 degree, and this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. And it is given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We have to find the value of angle 3 and angle 4. खुशी अभिनव
Sir, it is alternate.
टेस्ट चल रहा है, सिर्फ आपको अपना आंसर चैट बॉक्स में मेंशन करना है, नथिंग एल्स. कोई डिस्कशन नहीं, कुछ नहीं. ये श्रवण सबसे फास्ट आंसर और सही भी है. Ankush wrong. Yes, Sumit, you are right. Yes, बोलो. Your answer is right. दीक्षिता, राशि, हरियप, सबकी वीडियो ऑन होनी चाहिए. टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो. Yes, Yugash, this is right. Prerna wrong. Rashi right. So we have given these two angles are equal. Now the sum of the angle sum property. According to angle sum property, the sum of these three angles is 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus this 58 degree is equal to 180 degree. From here you will solve the value of angle 1. Because angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, so we can write it as twice of angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 58 degree. So this is 2 and 2 1. So angle 1 is 61 degree. Angle 1 is 61 degree and angle 3 is 180 minus 61. 180 minus angle 1, that is 61. So the answer is 119. Similarly, angle 4 is also 119. Yes, fifth question is, if x, y, z are exterior angles, then x plus y plus z is this is x, y, z. Find the value of x plus y plus z. X, y, z are the exterior angles. Anant, Suchi, Arnav, turn on your video. Yes, I am repeating. If x plus x, y, z, if x, y, z are exterior angles, x, y, z are exterior angles, then find the value of x plus y plus z. This is angle x, this angle is y, and this angle is z. We have to find the value of x plus y plus z. Yes, Rashi, Abhinav, Sumit, you are right. Yes, Anand, Dikshita, right? So here this is very simple. Exterior angle, the sum of exterior angle. You have to learn the sum of exterior angle is always 360 degree. Sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. कोई भी figure हो, that is maybe it is triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, septagon. कोई भी फिगर है तो उसके एक्सटीरियर एंगल का जो सम है दैट विल बी 360 डिग्री. The sum of exterior angle is always 360 degree. Whether it is triangle, quadrilateral or hexagon, heptagon, कोई भी शेप है, पेंटागन, ऑक्टागन, कोई भी शेप है, एक्सटीरियर एंगल का सम फिक्स है, दैट इज 360 डिग्री. इज इट क्लियर? P is parallel to Q and this angle is given 3x and this is 60 degree. Find the value of x. P is parallel to Q and this angle is 3x and this is 60 degree. 60 degree. Find the value of x. राशि गलत है बेटा. अभिनव राइट. यस श्रवण, दिस इज राइट. Anant wrong. This is 3x. 3x. दीक्षिता राइट. देखो अगर ये 60 तो दिस इज 120 डिग्री को इंटीरियर एंगल. नाउ these two angle are vertical opposite angle, so 3x is equal to 120 degree and x is at 40 degree. 3x is 120 degree, so x is 40 degree, so 40 degree is the right answer. And the last question is this is B, C, D and this angle AOC is 50 degree. Angle AOC is 50 degree given and we have to find the value of angle AOD plus angle COB. एंगल AOD प्लस COB का एंगल का सम फाइंड करना है. These all question are carrying 1 marks. So हमें 1 marks के क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग इसकी वो करनी है. You have to find the value of angle AOD plus angle COB. The sum of these two angles, this one and this one, जो वर्टिकल अपोजिट एंगल बने इन दोनों का सम फाइंड करना है. The sum of these two angles. Here Shravan right, Ankush, Rashi, Prerna wrong, Sumit wrong, Arnav Sarud दोनों wrong. सुमित आप सिर्फ इस एंगल को निकाल रहे हो, दैट इज 130, बट मैंने कहा कि इन दोनों का सम फाइंड करना है. देखो दो अलग अलग मेथड है. द सम ऑफ दीज टू एंगल इज 180, so this is 130 degree, and similarly this is also 130 degree. So 130 plus 130, that is 260 degree. So the answer is 260 degree. And the second method is, if this is 50 degree, then this is also 50 degree. Vertical opposite angle, and subtract these from 360 degree, because एक जो complete circle होता है, that is of 360 degree. So 360 minus 100, that is 260 degree. Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Arnav, turn on your video. Sharvan, Suryanshu, turn on your video. Chirag, Shravan, face दिखाओ अपना. Show me your face. Shravan, show me your face. Otherwise, I will remove you. Dikshita, turn on your video. Now open your textbook, NCERT. We were discussing chapter number 7, that is triangle. And in the last class we have discussed isosceles triangle. So the exercise 7.2 first question. Isosceles triangle is that triangle in which two sides are equal. और उसके बाद एक प्रॉपर्टी डिस्कस की थी, that is if two angles are equal, then opposite side to that triangle is always equal. अगर कोई दो एंगल्स इक्वल है तो उनकी अपोजिट साइड इक्वल होती है. जैसे if these two angles are equal, then these two sides will always equal. Similarly, if these two sides are equal, then these two angles are always equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal, and similarly angle opposite to equal sides are always equal. First question is, in an isosceles triangle ABC, in which AB is equal to AC. So this is ABC, AB equals AC, this is given. And the bisector of angle B and angle C. Now the bisector of angle B and angle C. Bisector of angle B is like here, and the angle C. These intersect each other at O. So this point where these two lines are meet is O. Join A to O. Join A to O. Show that OP equals OC. आपको ये इसके इक्वल प्रूव करनी है. OP is equal to OC. Prove OP equals OC. Yes. कौन बताएगा? OP equals OC. सबसे पहले तो ये बताओ कि किस ट्राइंगल की बात करें. देखो, if AB is equal to AC, AB equals AC, this is given. So angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, because angle opposite to equal sides are always equal. Yes, Sumit.
Sir, as you have previously said that, sir, AB is equal to AC.
Yes.
So, sir, opposite angle of opposite sides are also equal, sir. Angle B and C will also be equal.
Yes, yes. Now, if these two angles are equal, then their bisector means their half is always equal. Like if 60 is equal to 60, then half of these means 30 equals 30. Similarly, half of angle ABC, because OB and OC are bisector. OB and OC are bisector, so angle OBC is equal to angle OCB, because OB and OC are angle bisector. Now, in triangle OBC, if these two angles, this angle and this angle, is equal, then the side opposite to equal angles are equal. So OB is equal to OC. Is it clear? Why OB is equal to OC? Any doubt? Dikshita, turn on your video. Arnav, Anand, Chirag. Any doubt? Yes, Sharwan.
Sir, in last line.
In
Sir, last line.
this,
Yes, sir.
this is because of angle bisector. If this angle ABC is equal to ACB, because sides opposite to angle opposite to sides, so and this OB is bisector, means this angle is equal to this angle. Similarly, this angle is equal to this angle. So if whole part is equal, then half is always equal. OBC is equal to OCB because OB and OC are angle bisector. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now in triangle OPC, OB is equal to OC because sides opposite to equal angle. Sides opposite to equal angle. Now the second part is show that AO bisect angle A. AO means हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि ये जो लाइन है ये बाइसेक्ट कर रही है इसको, मीन दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. So in triangle AOB and AOC, we have given this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to, sorry, this side is equal to this side, and this angle is equal to this angle, and AO is common. So साइड एंगल साइड से ये क्या हो जाएंगे, कॉन्ग्रेंट हो जाएंगे. अगर ये कॉन्ग्रेंट है, या तो आप तीसरा यही लगा लो सीधा, साइड साइड से तीनों साइड्स इक्वल है, because AO is common, OB is equal to OC and AB is equal to AC. तो कॉन्ग्रेंट प्रूव करने के बाद अब बाय CPCT corresponding part of congruent triangles, तो ये इक्वल हो जाएंगे. अगर ये इक्वल हो गए तो इट मींस AO is angle bisector. Any doubt? Any doubt? Yes, Rashi, Sumit, Yuvansh, any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Rashi?
No, sir.
Now in the second question, in triangle ABC. Okay, second question कल करेंगे, टाइम अप होने वाला है. टेस्ट के जो 7 क्वेश्चन है उनमें अगर कोई डाउट हो, या फिर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में और या किसी कंसेप्ट में 7.1 में कोई डाउट हो, देन रेज योर हैंड. Any doubt in exercise 7.1 and in the 7th question that we have discussed in the test? Raise your hand. Yes, Dikshita.
Sir, second question of test.
If two complementary angles,
No, sir.
हल्का सा स्टेटमेंट बता दो बेटा. सेकंड क्वेश्चन तो बेटा यही था. If two complementary angles are in ratio 11:4.
Sir, seventh.
Seventh question. Okay. So this is 50 degree and this is A, B, C, D. We have to find the value of these two angles, the sum of these two angles. So first method is, this is linear pair. So the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. This is 130 degree. 130 plus 50 is 180 degree. So this is 130 degree. Similarly, this is also 130 degree. But the sum of these two is 130 plus 130, that is 260 degree. And the second method is, this, if this angle is 50 degree, then this is also 50 degree, because vertical opposite angle.